What is going on everybody, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Nubia Red Magic 3 against the OnePlus 7 Pro. Both of these phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, they both have 8GB of RAM, they are both running a close to stock version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Nubia Red Magic 3. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the OnePlus 7 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and also 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro wins by 3 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the scores are tied at 15 points each. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro won by 3 points. In round 2, the scores were tied at 15 points each. As for the price difference, the Red Magic 3 cost £280 less than the OnePlus 7 Pro's 8GB model. Whilst the Red Magic 3 is a fast phone and packs very good specs such as the Snapdragon 855 CPU, 5000 mAh battery, 90Hz display and stereo speakers, the software just feels unfinished. I did notice some severe lag when unlocking the phone, and the OS is just so basic. The phone is also quite big, but for £419 it offers a lot for your money, and hopefully they overhaul the OS soon. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Will you be getting the Red Magic 3? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be comparisons with the Mi 9 and the Mate 20 Pro, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.